The University of Taxila, also known as Takshashila Vishwavidyalaya, is widely regarded as one of the earliest centers of higher learning in the world. Located in present-day Pakistan near the city of Rawalpindi, Taxila flourished as a hub of education, philosophy, and culture from at least the 6th century BC. Its roots go back even further, with archaeological evidence suggesting that the region was settled during the Neolithic period and later developed into a prominent urban and educational center during the Gandhara period. Taxila is believed to have been founded by Taksha, the son of Bharata, brother of Lord Rama. As per Hindu mythology, the city eventually became a melting pot of cultures, including Vedic, Persian, Greek, Central Asian, and Buddhist influences. By the time of the Achaemenid Empire 6th century BC, Taxila was already an established center of learning. It gained further prominence under the Mauryan Empire, especially during the reign of Emperor Ashoka, who studied there as a prince. Unlike modern universities, Taxila had no central campus or formal degree system. Instead, it functioned more like a cluster of residential colleges where individual gurus taught students in their own homes or ashrams. Yet, it attracted students from across the Indian subcontinent and beyond, making it one of the first true international institutions of learning. Taxila offered an astonishingly wide range of subjects, including Vedas and philosophy, Hindu, Jain, and later Buddhist medicine and surgery, Ayurveda, grammar and linguistics, notably Panini's Sanskrit grammar, mathematics and astronomy, politics and diplomacy, Arthashastra by Chanakya, law, archery, warfare, and military science. Some of the most famous scholars and students associated with Taxila include Panini, the great grammarian who formalized Sanskrit grammar through his work Ashtadhyayi; Chanakya Kautilya, the political strategist, teacher of Chandragupta Maurya, and author of Arthashastra; Jivaka, renowned physician who studied medicine at Taxila and later served at the court of the Buddha; Charaka, another celebrated medical scholar associated with Ayurveda. Taxila's influence as a center of learning persisted for several centuries. It was visited by scholars and travelers from Greece, China, and Central Asia. The Chinese pilgrim Faxian 5th century CE and later Zunzang 7th century CE recorded their observations of the university and its spiritual and academic atmosphere. However, Taxila's decline began around the 5th century CE due to repeated invasions by the Huns and subsequent political instability. Eventually, it was abandoned, and much of its knowledge and teachings were absorbed into other centers like Nalanda in India.